Alright, here we got another Home Depot tour. This is number 13. So this one is a part of a mall. So therefore, the building pretty much combines with the rest of the building. And then up there is a Bose speaker at the entrance, which is quite interesting. And these have good bass. It's actually part of the mall system. It's not part of the Home Depot system. Anyways, we're about to check in. So, inside now. Now, there's the ceiling fan. It's not a Dayton. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but apparently this Home Depot has these installed in their stores. Usually they have leading edges. This one's not a leading edge. And by the way, I think this Home Depot opened in the early 2000s, judging by the age of this shopping center. I don't know, but I don't think this is a late 90s Home Depot. And it has bogan box speakers, as you can already tell. Let's keep looking around here. So, yeah. It is quite quiet in here. The volume on these speakers is quite low too. So let's keep looking. Oh, what do you know? The garden center's here. And well, what do you know? It's also just box speakers. And it's quite small compared to the other Home Depots I've been to. This has seen better days. I mean, it's installed outside, so I'm not that surprised. Yeah, I don't think this store ever had horn speakers. And as you can already tell, it's mainly because, once again, this is an indoor garden center. But yeah, this is pretty much how big it is. It's not really as big as other Home Depots. Now there is that Marley wall fan right there, as you can see. I don't think it has that other piece to the motor cover, so yeah, it's just a portion of the motor. But yeah, it's quite small and it's quite understandable at the same time. It's really because, again, this is inside a strip mall. But I'm also impressed that they're not playing music inside here. Anyways, let's keep looking around. Alright, so I cleaned my camera lens, so this should be better. Here's another one of these box speakers. This one is quite yellow. And it's quite strange because, you know, there's no exposure to sunlight in here, but I guess it might be to the heat from this light. Yeah, the volume is insanely quiet in this store. Not sure why. Probably because some employees tend to play their own music. That's probably why. We got the ceiling fan aisle. And this one actually has some old school ceiling fans, like these two here. Then there's that one up there. Yeah, a bunch of old school. Alright, so the page tone used here is the UPAM by Avaya. But because it's the volume of the store is very quiet, I don't know if you were able to hear it. Oh yeah, so there's another ceiling fan that's actually off. So if any of you guys could tell me what these are, I will gladly appreciate it. But yeah, these are industrial models. But yeah, a whole ton of old school ceiling fans compared to modern ones. I don't think I've seen this one here. Well, actually, I think it did. This one's more like a hybrid. I'm not sure how those two will work in the conventional setting, but I think they do. Alright.
The Home Depot wants to keep you safe. So if you think
this one's quite loud.
Project that involves lead-based paints, take care. Visit the EPA's website for more information. The Home Depot, how doers get more done.
Yeah, not sure why the ones at the edge of the store are so quiet, but this one is loud. crazy. Yeah, so once again, it's quite quiet in the edges of the store. There's another one of these industrial ceiling fans behind this light. But yeah. But yeah, I don't think this Home Depot ever installed Horn speakers in here, to be quite honest with you. So yeah, this is another one of those locations with just box speakers. This one's also quiet. It's quite strange. Really is strange. But yeah, I think this one is probably the least yellow of all of the speakers I've seen here. But yeah, I think this might be it because I don't see anything else in this store. So I think I might leave at this point. So yeah, that's pretty much the entirety of everything that's in that store. So yeah, this is pretty much what the exterior looks like. As you can see, it's a red bricks with a green roof. It's pretty much to mix in with the strip mall here. But yeah, that will be it for this video. So that's the 13th Intercom speaker and ceiling fan tour at the Home Depot.